There are times when reproducibility matters, whether it's for research, reporting, or production workflows. Well, we have code block cells, which ensure that your analysis stays consistent and trustworthy. In this video, we're going to show you how to create reproducible results. When you start a notebook, you can see the building block options. Go into the cell dropdown and choose code, or go directly to the cell dropdown and choose which code you want to input. Simply bring your own code that you have and use Julius to execute it within your notebook. And if you don't know how to write code, you can take a code that Julius has written previously and paste that directly into the cell. Now let's show you how the output feature works. If you hover at the top right corner, you can see the stamp-looking icon. Click in and you'll get a pop-up of the code that ran. This shows you the current state and the new state. You can even directly edit the portions in this pop-up if you want, just to make sure it's exactly what you need. Once you're good with the code, accept the changes and Julius will automatically transform any code block into the code block cell. It's really that easy. Want to give it a try with your team today? Sign up for Julius and let us know how you like it. And if you have any other questions or feature requests, let us know in the comments below.